In today's fast-paced digital world, creating engaging, visually striking presentations is crucial, whether you're a student, professional, or creative. But let's be real, traditional presentation tools can make the process frustrating and time-consuming. If you've ever spent hours resizing images, aligning text boxes, or choosing the right font only to end up with slides that still don't look quite right, you're not alone. It's exhausting, and when you're trying to juggle multiple tasks, it can feel impossible to achieve a polished design that grabs attention and delivers your message effectively. That's where Gamma AI steps in, taking the pain out of presentations by handling the design heavy lifting for you. With AI-driven insights, intuitive templates, and smart features, Gamma AI helps you turn ideas into professional slides with ease, no endless tweaking required. In this video, we'll explore Gamma AI, a tool designed to elevate your presentation game. We'll dive into its key features and discuss how it uses cutting-edge AI to help you create stunning professional slides with minimal effort. Introduction to Gamma AI. Gamma AI is a next-generation presentation tool that combines artificial intelligence with sleek design templates to redefine how you create and share information. With real-time design suggestions, automated layouts, and powerful customization options, it enables you to produce visually appealing, high-quality presentations effortlessly. Whether you're crafting a pitch, educational slides, or a marketing presentation, Gamma AI makes it easy to stand out, saving you time while ensuring professional-grade results. Now that you have an overview of Gamma AI, let's break down its core features that make it a must-have for anyone who wants to make a memorable impression. Let's dive into 5 standout features of Gamma AI that make creating stunning presentations incredibly easy. 1. AI-powered slide creation. Gamma AI's slide creation tool does the heavy lifting for you. It analyzes your content and suggests layouts, images, and fonts that best convey your message. It's like having a personal design assistant, helping you build each slide with style and purpose. 2. Dynamic templates. Say goodbye to static designs. Gamma AI offers dynamic templates that adapt to your content, maintaining a consistent and professional look. You can experiment with a variety of layouts that suit your brand or message, ensuring a polished, modern presentation. 3. Real-time feedback. As you work on your slides, Gamma AI provides real-time feedback, suggesting improvements in text clarity, visuals, and layout. This helps you optimize your slides on the go, ensuring every aspect of your presentation is top-notch. 4. Smart image suggestions. With AI-driven image recommendations, Gamma AI automatically suggests high-quality visuals to match your content, saving you the hassle of endless searches. Just enter your topic and let Gamma find the perfect images that bring your slides to life. 5. Collaboration tools. Gamma AI allows teams to collaborate seamlessly. You can share your presentation with colleagues for feedback, make real-time edits, and work together to refine your slides. It's perfect for teams working remotely or across different time zones. Tutorial: Getting started with Gamma AI, an easy guide to creating visually impactful, professional presentations quickly. Step 1. Sign up and access the dashboard. Start by creating an account on Gamma AI's platform. Once you log in, you'll be greeted with a streamlined dashboard where you can access all the tools and templates Gamma has to offer. Step 2. Choose a template or start from scratch. Select a dynamic template that suits your presentation's theme. If you prefer to build your slides from the ground up, Gamma AI's interface makes it easy to customize your layout, text, and visuals. Step 3. Enter your content. Start adding text, visuals, and other content. Gamma AI will instantly suggest layouts and font options to complement your material. Follow these suggestions or adjust them to fit your style. Step 4. Refine with real-time feedback. As you build your slides, Gamma AI provides real-time feedback on your design and content. Make adjustments based on these suggestions to ensure your slides are clear, visually appealing, and professional. Step 5. Preview and share. Once you're satisfied, preview your presentation to ensure everything flows well. You can then download it, share it as a link, or collaborate with teammates for final feedback. Let's dive into 5 impactful applications of Gamma AI, showcasing how it transforms presentations and content creation. 1. Business presentations. Gamma AI design features make it ideal for business pitches or client presentations. With professional templates and smart layouts, you can confidently communicate your message, making a lasting impression on your audience. AI ensures that your slides maintain a consistent and polished look, elevating your brand's professionalism throughout the entire presentation. 2. Educational use. For teachers and students, Gamma AI simplifies slide creation. Use dynamic templates to build informative and visually engaging lectures or project presentations, saving you time while making learning more interactive. Its user-friendly interface allows for easy customization, helping educators and students quickly adapt presentations to suit various learning styles and subjects. 3. Marketing and sales decks. Gamma AI is a powerful tool for marketers who need to produce high-quality sales decks or pitch materials. With quick access to data visuals and smart image suggestions, you can craft a compelling story for your brand, engaging potential clients. The ability to rapidly generate and refine slide designs helps marketers create presentations that resonate with their target audience. 4. Team collaboration. Gamma's collaboration tools make it easy for teams to work together, ensuring everyone can contribute to or edit the presentation. It's an ideal solution for remote teams or departments that need streamlined project coordination. The platform's cloud-based nature allows for real-time updates, ensuring all team members are on the same page and working towards a unified presentation vision. 5. Event planning and proposals. Gamma AI is also an excellent tool for creating event proposals or planning presentations. Whether you're organizing a corporate event, wedding, or conference, Gamma AI helps you design visually appealing presentations that highlight all the important details, ensuring your audience understands your vision clearly. Here are the top 5 advantages of Gamma AI, designed to simplify and enhance your presentations effortlessly. 1. User-friendly interface. Gamma AI's interface is intuitive, making it accessible for everyone, even beginners. Its straightforward design and helpful tips make building presentations quick and easy, regardless of your technical skill level. 2. Time efficiency. By automating design and layout processes, Gamma AI saves you hours of work. With just a few clicks, you can produce a professional-grade presentation, freeing up time for other tasks. 3. Seamless integration. Gamma AI integrates with popular platforms like Google Drive and Dropbox, making it easy to import content or share files. This integration enhances workflow, especially for professionals who need to manage multiple files across different platforms. 4. Cost-effective solution. With Gamma AI's affordable subscription options, you get access to a high-quality presentation tool without breaking the bank. It's perfect for freelancers, small businesses, and educators who need an economical but powerful solution. 5. Customizable templates. Gamma AI's templates are fully customizable, so you can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to align with your brand. This flexibility ensures that your presentation reflects your unique style and goals. Here are 3 potential disadvantages of Gamma AI that users might encounter while using the tool. 1. Limited free features. While Gamma AI offers a free trial, most of its advanced features require a paid subscription. For small businesses or individuals, this paywall may feel restrictive compared to completely free alternatives. The free version offers only basic templates and design options, which may not be sufficient for users looking for more intricate or dynamic presentations. This could lead to frustration if you're trying to achieve professional-level results without a subscription. 2. Learning curve for complex features. Although Gamma AI is user-friendly, mastering its advanced features might take some time, especially for beginners. However, once users become familiar, they can unlock a new level of creative potential. The tool provides powerful options for customization, but understanding how to fully leverage them requires patience and practice. Taking the time to explore tutorials and resources can help overcome this initial challenge and streamline your workflow. 3. Occasional over-reliance on AI. Sometimes the AI-driven layout suggestions might feel limiting, particularly if you have a very specific design in mind. Balancing AI recommendations with personal customization is key for achieving a unique final product. Relying too heavily on the AI can lead to presentations that feel too similar to others, especially if you're aiming for something truly original. Embracing the AI as a starting point and adding your personal touch can make your presentation stand out. Conclusion: Gamma AI is a game changer for anyone needing to create professional presentations quickly and effectively. From business pitches to educational content, Gamma AI provides the tools you need to craft high-quality slides that leave an impact. With dynamic templates, AI-powered insights, and real-time feedback, it's an all-in-one solution for creating engaging content. Whether you're presenting to a small team or a large audience, Gamma AI helps you deliver your message with style and confidence. Plus, its intuitive interface allows you to create stunning presentations without any design experience, making it accessible for everyone. Fun fact about Gamma AI. Did you know Gamma AI's algorithms are designed to learn from millions of presentations, constantly improving its design suggestions to ensure your slides are always on trend and visually compelling? This means that as more people use the platform, the AI becomes smarter, offering even better, more tailored design options over time. It's like having a personal design assistant that's always up to date with the latest presentation trends and best practices. There you have it. Gamma AI in all its glory. If you're ready to up your presentation game, hit that subscribe button for more tools, tips, and tricks. Stay tuned for more on the best ways to create content that not only looks amazing, but also resonates with your audience.